Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing with the series Mega RPG Game Part 12. So today we wanna put the seal already attached to the mesh. So we have to now to make the animation for that. And also we are gonna start today to be the first enemy. So before I start, I want to say thank you to everybody that support me. And if you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. If you want to help me making a game, please go to my Discord channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So go to Unreal, and here the first you notice, I changed the seal already for another one because this is better than I created before. So that's one of them. Also, we have to create the animation. I already created three of them. It's gonna be seal block. It's gonna be this one. Also seal equip if we don't have the sword. And also sword seal equip. They're gonna be the both in the same time. If you want this animation and the seal, you can go to my Patreon page. If not, you have to create your own animation. You know how to do it already, so that's not very difficult. So let's go back. So I wanna put this animation away to separate what is Unreal, what is the I created before. So right click your folder UE4, oops, 4. So now I know this from this one, yeah, all this. So go here. So out of the way, so they look better. Okay, so in the blueprint of the character, so English blueprint character, we already create this equip weapon system. So if we no equip, they're gonna keep it. So now we need the animation. So they're gonna be this variable to use it. So go to animation blueprint. They're gonna be character, first person animation, DB animation blueprint. So in here, we need to move this away a little bit and create new state from here. Add state. We're gonna call it similar to the store. So it's gonna be seal equip and go this back to idle again. So seal the keep, we need to put seal the keep. It's gonna be this one and connect this one here. So go to new state machine, and here we need to promote this to have a variable. We're gonna call it the same seal equip, and also the other one they're gonna be opposite. So seal equip, not boolean, like that. Connect these together and set. So go to event graph, and here for the DP character, they wanna to get equip seal, and we want to bind this one with this one. So we're gonna set it together, put this here. So they're gonna be all for that. So go to here. So let's check it. So now, if we pick the seal and keep it, we have it, the animation. That is okay. So we now want to block, because right now we don't blocking, just change the 3D, so it's not really that great. So we want to just that one. So let's do that. So we need to go to event graph and looking for block weapons. So in here we need to change this a little bit. So we are creating already sword block. So we want to create another variable to call it seal block. So similar names, but these are different stuff. So compile and save. Put the seal with the seals. So it's everything together. So now, so if the sword, well, let's move this away a little bit. So if the sword is the key, we can block this one. But I want to first check if it's blocking with the seal, because if we have the seal, it's better blocking with the seal than with the source. So it's gonna be seal block, no, not seal block, seal keep. So get it, get a branch, connect it with the press. So we have this together, put this away. So if we have a keep the seal, we want to seal block like that. So it's gonna be if it is true. If it's false, we want to check if we have the sort, because if we don't have it, then we don't want to do nothing. So if we have it, we do this sort block. And when we release, we want to sub block if they have it, and also seal a keep. No, not seal a keep, seal block. So it's gonna be off too. So false again. So that's gonna be done. So compile and save. Go again to animation blueprint. Here we need to create that variable. So go to the state machines, and here do the same like here. So new state. Whoops. I don't need to put new. It's already here at the state. So be seal block, and also go back to seal keep. So seal block, we want to put the animation seal block together. So go again here, promote this to variable, and we want to call it seal block, like that, seal block. Come here, when you go back to seal keep, they're gonna be the opposite. So seal block, not boolean to this one. So gonna be an event graph and call that one. So gonna be get seal block, like that. So I'm binding these together. We set it. So now we have another variable here. So that's it. So say everything. Let's try now. So I go to play. So I take the seal. Now we have to keep it, and I can block it. So now look better. So now I want to have the both at the same time, because this a little weird. And also I want to put the bug collision a little more bigger, because I don't know why it's so small. So go to the sort, edit sort, go to bug collision, gonna be a little more bigger. So probably 3, 3, 3. Gonna be better. So save it and close this. So okay, we are done with this. So now go to animation in the states, like here, and we want to put inside here. We have the both in the same time. So from here we want to go. Also, it's better from here. Yeah, we want to try first here. So add a state. They want to be seal sword keep, for example. So put this back again, and put animation sword keep, sword and seal a keep. So that's okay. So here we want to promote this to variable. No, because we want to only check if we have the stuff. So if the sword keep is true, and also we have the seal keep, they're gonna be together. So it's gonna be n. So if this 2 is true, you want to go in here. So it's gonna be here. So let's do this one, so we can copy this. We don't have to do it again. So go here, it's gonna be the opposite. So paste that here. If it's already keep and seal the keep is not, so it's gonna be not boolean, connect this to here. So that's it. So let's do that. So if we are here, we have this one, we want to block with the seal, not with the sword. So go here to here and here to here. So let's check this. And from here, I'm gonna set if the seal is a keep, go here and here. No, it's a keep and also the sword is a keep. True. Yeah, let me think about it. Okay, so this. So these together. So if it is true, so you're gonna end. Yeah, I'm blocking just two. So it's gonna be seal block too. So go seal block. We can put these together. Yes, like that. So everything is true. You go like here, copy it, copy this. So go to here, and here gonna be false. So gonna be this one, not. Yeah, because sometimes you have to think about what you want to do. Because these blueprints you have to think about, like I told you in the beginning series, it's like a book. So you need to think what you want to write it before to write the code. So that is sometimes a little confusing sometimes, but it's okay. It's not really that bad. So that's gonna be that. So I think that one gonna be perfect for now. So let's check. Go here. If we have this sword and seal, they don't. Okay, so we want to do that right. Yeah, something's wrong. Let me check. So here, if show the keep is seal the keep is together, they wanna be the animation show the keep. I suppose. So let's check again. So if we have the seal, I keep it. They don't show this sword. Let me. So animation. Let me check here. So yeah, maybe if we change this and the seal is not a keep, so the not, they're gonna be and you go like this, and this one just not a keep. You go down, they're gonna be okay. So in this one, it's gonna be the same seal a keep, and if the sorry keep is not. So let me check now. Okay, so branch. Why branch? No, it's I in. Okay, and here and here. Okay, a little crazy sometimes. Okay, so let's try again. Let's see now. So if we keep it, now it's okay. So that was the problem. So now I can block. I have the sword. I can attack with the sword, and blocking. So that's perfect for now. That's not perfect. They have some bugs still, but I don't wanna fix it yet because I want to before I fix all these equip stuff, all the kind of stuff. I want to create an inventory because it's easier to make it a little more neat and also better, more complex. So it's not really a beginner tutorial. So, but I want to do that the inventory to fix the bug we have sometimes. But for now it's okay. So now we want to start to make the bad guy. So let's do that. So we need to create. No, first we need to close everything of this because we don't need it right now. So save everything. Also, I put out the shadows from that, like saying I do with the sword because I don't want to catch shadows. So just a note for that. So let's do that. So we're gonna English, let's create the enemy. So in here in the folders, I'm gonna create a new folder. or we can use characters. Uh, no, better to put different folders. So new folder, they're gonna be enemies for now. So open, right click, blueprint class. They're gonna be a character because remember it's a pawn. They can walk around and think. So it's gonna be character. So I put the name, probably main enemy blueprint because I want to make more of these. So this is gonna be the parent. So open it, put this together. So now we have a capsule component, arrow, and also a mesh. So the mesh, I want to put some enemy. So I don't know what enemy we have already. So it's gonna be adversary maybe. Enemies. What enemy I want? Let me something small for the beginning. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one gonna be okay. So we're gonna use this guy. So put this to here. My computer's a little slow sometimes, so sorry about that. So we want to, they don't have material. Well, it's loading, probably it's loading. Okay, so let's put this more down. So maybe 90. Maybe it's alright. Yeah. So and also minus 90, like that. Compile and save. So I wanna put this guy there. So it's gonna be DP English enemy. Put this guy right here. Oh, it's really small, this guy. But it's okay. Look more like a goblin or something like that. But I can see it's not really. There you go. So let's check how they look. They look okay. So a little small, this guy. But for the our first enemy, they're gonna be okay. So let's do that. So we want to now, where I go, to make a kind of take damage system right now. So I know the Unreal have their own take damage because if you go here, go to the event graph, we can close this. We don't need it right now. So if you put like take damage, I think I remember. Whoops, take damage, or maybe damage, report damage event, anything like that. Apply damage, damage, apply point damage, point rider damage. That's okay, but it don't really that great because some things you can do with that. So it's better to use different kind of take damage because I like to have more control when I hit. Because if I hit, probably if you want to make the game more complex, for example, if we let's go to the character. So if I want to, when I hit, for example, the arm, yeah, I can amputate the arm. You don't really can do with the Unreal system because you have to make a lot of stuff before, but you can do it different from another kind. So it's more easiest to do it this way. I'm gonna show you. But if you want to go the other way, you can too. But they're gonna be more complex, so you don't really need it. So let's do again. So go to main enemy blueprint. So in here we want to create. Well, not here. We need to go here in blueprints. So English blueprints. We want to create interface because it's the best to do it. So go to blueprints and go to blueprint interface. A lot of people make a lot interface, one for the interaction, one for take damage, probably another interface for, I don't know, for the inventory, another interface for another kind. You don't need to do too many interface. You can do just one interface. You have a lot of function together, so they're gonna be more organized. I don't know why the people made that many interface. So I want to show you my way, but you can always change this stuff for your own way. So I'm gonna put here naming interface, like that. Interface. I think I explained it right. Yes. So inside here, they wanna have a function, so you can create all the functions you want. So you don't need that many interface. So in here, we're gonna put the name take damage, for example. You can call it how you want. Damage. Okay. So we're gonna need all the damage, of course. So gonna be damage. Oh my spelling is so bad. Damage. They're gonna be a float, and also if we want to do it more complex, they want to create the bone name, because I want to sometimes if we hit the head, we can amputate the head. So do like something like headshot or something like that. So go here, they're gonna be bone name, and here they're gonna be a name. So that's it, easy. So compile, save. So close this. In the enemy, we want to close this. It's gonna be we want to put that interface in the blueprint. So go to the class settings and here say interface. Wanna add new one. They wanna call it my one. So the main interface. We already have it in here. We have only one function for now function. So they wanna use the one. Compile and save. So in here you can put the right click and write the take damage, but it's better to use from here. So right click, implement in event. So I already have it right here. So for take damage, we want to take it from his life, but the character don't have life yet. So we want to create a new variable. They're gonna be enemy health. So now we have enemy health. So this one gonna be a flow, of course. When we compile save, I want to the flow, they're gonna be the maximum health when you start the game. It's gonna be 1 because this percent. So it's gonna 1, they're gonna be full. 0.5, they're gonna be half of the life. So compile save. So we take damage, they're gonna be enemy health. So here they wanna minus, because we want to from damage, and we want to clamp it because I don't want to take more than the 0. So it's gonna be clamp float from 0 to 1 is perfect because 0 is the minimum and 1 is the maximum. And here set again enemy health. So we can put this together for now. And that's it. So this the first step. We have a more steps like the burning, everything like that. But we want to create first how to take damage with the sword, because right now we can check it if we don't hit this. So right now we don't have the system for the sword, so they wanna do it that in the next video. So I only want to this for the start with that. We have because we have a time. So that's gonna be that for this video. So thank you. If you want to subscribe me, go to my YouTube. Well, you're already in YouTube, so subscribe my channel. If you want to support me, go to my Patreon page. And like I said before, if you want to help me creating games, please go to my Discord channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.